Navigating the legal and ethical dimensions of AI use. Debunking the myth of cheating. The dawn of the 20th century held a skeptical view of technology that couldn't be harnessed like the horses of the past. Reflecting on the transition from equine to engine, a significant cultural and technological shift was evident, as discussed in my previous piece on LinkedIn titled From Horses and Automobiles to Web3, AI, and the Metaverse. Currently, we are witnessing a similar, yet even more impactful transformation through the advent of artificial intelligence, reminiscent of the seismic changes brought forth by Henry Ford's assembly line. My name is Mitch Jackson, and to give you a bit of context about this show, I'm a lawyer and private mediator with 30-plus years of experience, many of which directly and indirectly involve technology. In each podcast episode, I help you navigate the new and sometimes confusing dynamic digital landscape found at the intersection of law, business, and technology. Okay, let's dive in. In the realm of content generation and business administration, services and strategies, change remains a steadfast characteristic, and AI is at the forefront of this evolution. These intelligent systems are revolutionizing our methods of composition, research, and problem solving, calling for a reimagined partnership between humans and technology. Initial reactions to AI ranged from skepticism to disbelief. However, as its integration deepens, a paradigm shift is occurring. We're tasked with redefining our roles, merging the essence of human creativity with AI's capabilities, transitioning from creators to orchestrators. AI's impact in research and business is indisputable, granting us the ability to analyze data rapidly, uncover hidden patterns, and extract insights leading to informed decisions. Far from being a mere crutch, AI serves as an accelerator, elevating our capabilities to new peaks of productivity and innovation. To leverage AI effectively, an adaptive, learning-oriented mindset is essential. It involves retooling our skills to employ AI in ways that uphold human value and authenticity, positioning it as an enhancer rather than a replacement of human potential. In this new narrative, AI is not an adversary, but an ally, magnifying human ingenuity. Historical precedents affirm that technological tools, from the printing press to word processors, have always extended our abilities despite initial resistance. Similarly, AI functions as a modern asset, aiding in creating, articulating, and organizing thoughts and business outputs without compromising individuality. The creative synergy with AI is analogous to the traditional relationships between everyone in the business creation and production chain, and then some. It serves as a springboard for ideas, allowing for the exploration of untapped creative paths while leveraging efficiency and speed and maintaining the authenticity of the message. Ethical engagement with AI also necessitates transparency. Utilizing many of the AI tools in business and acknowledging that use is similar to acknowledging sources. In more cases than not, I believe it's important to be upfront about these practices, enhancing the work's quality rather than obscuring the process. Employing AI is no more deceptive than using a calculator for arithmetic. It is a tool to amplify one's skill set. For example, the uniquely human elements of writing, narrative craft, audience engagement, and emotional depth remain untouched by AI, which cannot replicate the distinct perspectives each writer brings to their work. As industries evolve, they invariably adopt new technologies that boost productivity. Creating, writing, designing, and researching are no exceptions. Embracing AI is in keeping with these industries' progressions, ensuring relevance and efficiency. The ultimate measure of content remains its quality and the value it provides to the client, customer, and audience. In summary, as we progress, it's crucial to nurture a perspective that sees AI not as a threat, but as a partner. This collaboration is an invitation to explore a realm where the fusion of human and artificial intelligence sets the stage for unparalleled accomplishments in content creation, problem solving, and business strategy. The future beckons a symbiotic relationship where our creative and intellectual paths are enhanced by the AI tools we guide and that reciprocally guide us. I hope I've given you a few things to think about when it comes to leveraging AI in your business. If you found value in this episode, please subscribe and share. If you'd like to stay in touch, most of my links can be found at mitchjackson.com. I sincerely appreciate your time. Please join me in doing our best to enjoy the journey and to make each day our masterpiece.